The 2010 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bin, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, child safety locks, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.